Okay, Ryder.
Come up here. Come by the one car. Oh, man. She can come too.
That's so cool that this green present. Hi, Candy.
Hey, Sachi. Hi, Sachi. Hey, got it?
Ready, go.
Woo!
Are you floating down the river?
Yeah.
What river is this? Is this Grove River?
This is cool.
Let's see what happens when you get to the rapids. Whoa.
Yeah, that's cool.
Whoa!
How about we stop and just let me float by?
Yeah, I think that you would get stuck. I don't think that the current keeps going there. I think
Yeah.
Mommy's right to jump you out right here.
Yeah, this is the dump out spot. See how the water gets kind of bumpy and then just calm right here? This is where it stops moving. Okay, go ride it again.
Yeah, I will.
Okay.
It's pretty fun to go out there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cool. I love that. The green.
Do it, Ryder, do it.
That is so much.
Come all the way up in my car.
It's come down a couple inches already, though.
That's chilly. Yeah.
It is cold.
Okay, ready? Yeah.
Do it.
Yeah, you
Oh, it's dragging now, yeah.
It's just scraping against the side.
Oh, it's not
He's
the
just not
bottom.
as balanced in the middle this time. He's leaning really far back.
Ryder, put your hands more forward.
Okay, exit round.
Here, let Ryder help Mommy get out. Don't.
It's all right. It's like a handle.
There you go.